guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look, this head wrap look, and how I laid down these baby hairs. So stay tuned. To detangle my hair, I'm going to use this Logic leave-in conditioning spray, and I'm just going to use that spray all over my hair and detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb, but it's actually a pick. Next up, I'm going to use this Lotto body setting lotion just for a loose hold and to keep those flyaways down. And in control, honey. And to lessen any breakage or damage to our hair, we're going to use a satin scrunchie just to secure a ponytail. And for this amazing look that I'm bringing you guys today, we're going to be using this satin scarf that I got from the beauty supply store for about $5, and it gets the job done. It's super cute, keeping our hair protected and saving them coins. Using the two tail of the scarf, the two ending of the scarf, I'm just gonna take that and wrap it on my hair like where my bun is, just to create that bun illusion, and just tighten it if it can't reach. And then all you do now is just tug and shape it until you find your desired look. I'm going to be using two bobby pins to secure the scarf in place. I'm just pulling and tucking the scarf until I get my desired look. I like my bun to look big and fluffy, so that's what I'm going for there. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to comment your name down below so I know who you are. And thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The reason why I'm using the olive oil edge control on top of the gel is because the gel is water-based and it makes my hair frizz up and curl back up. It doesn't stay down, so what I use basically is the edge control just to secure it and make sure it stays in place all day. gently moving the scarf forward to the front of our hair. Be careful because you don't want to mess up all that hard work you just did. I'm just gonna use that powder to remove the shiny cast of my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Thank you for your support. Bye.